Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Today we're going to start setting the post bases on the concrete pillars that we've poured for this new woodshed build. So y'all stay with us. So the post bases that we've chosen to use on these pillars are these Simpson Strong Tie post bases, and these are made for 8x8 rough lumber. So it's actually 8x8, not 7.5 by 7.5. So these are made for rough lumber, and they have this kind of offset, or this base that the post goes on that sits inside the base, and that lets the post be kind of standing up out of any kind of standing water if it rains or whatever. So it gets the bottom of it up out of the water, and should be just what we need. Hopefully these will work pretty well for us. We've never tried these before, but basically they get drilled into the concrete pillars and then drilled in with wood screws from the side into the wood post. So we'll see how this goes. So we have stretched string kind of in each direction on each of these post bases, and we've set the post bases so we think we're square and in line. So the next step is to drill out holes for the concrete anchors to go that hold down the bases. So these are great big concrete anchors. So I have marked where the concrete anchor holes go. I'm going to drill those out with my hammer drill, and I'm hoping this goes well.
So it looks like our little project is going to get put on hold for just a minute. The sky's turned kind of dark, and wind has picked up, but we'll get started back just as soon as it passes.
Okay, that's pretty good. Now, I've left it a little bit proud, so it's not quite all the way down, but I think that's gonna work good.
Okay.
Not too bad. That way it's pretty much perfect. This way we might can adjust it just a little bit, but we're in pretty good shape.
Okay. So I had noticed this hole in the ground earlier while we were working and just kind of thought, you know, maybe it's a little snake hole, didn't pay that much attention. But then I had noticed some yellow jackets flying around too, and kind of put two and two together and looked a little closer, and this is what I saw. Yellow jackets are no joke. If you've never been stung by one, you don't want to be stung by one. They hurt like the dickens. And this is just a few feet away from where we're working. I'm sure they probably don't like all this drilling in the ground, all the vibration in the ground. So we need to get them taken care of so they don't take care of us.
Good if we could tighten one end down just a hair more.
Adjust them if we need to, and then tighten them the rest of the way. How does it look up there?
Here it looks good. The line up here is pretty good from here. I think it's good there. I can't really tell on pillar number 3.
I think we'll have to lower it to be able to tell.
So join us next time as we stand up some of these large 8x8 timbers, and we'll show you how we attach them to the Simpson Strong Tie bases. And if you like watching our videos, click the subscribe button, hit us with a like, send us a comment, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.